Fitbit recently announced the Fitbit Ace 3, the brand's next-generation activity and sleep tracker that makes it fun and easy for kids ages 6 and above to get active and build healthy habits with the whole family. Expanding on the features kids love most about the Ace family of trackers, Ace 3 introduces more animated clock faces and new accessories to motivate kids and show off their personal style. With up to 8 days of battery life in a swing-proof design, Ace 3 can keep up all week long. With a $4,790 price tag, the Ace 3 will be available in the Philippines starting March 31st. Visit our website to learn more.